Experience the premier student housing choice at West Virginia University. Right where you want to be, U Club Sunnyside is located in the center of Sunnyside, between the WVU Evansdale and downtown campuses, giving you walk-to-class convenience. Get the lifestyle you want with amenities like our recreational center with billiards, a ping pong table, arcade games, and a multimedia area with gaming systems. Take a dip in our swimming pool and hot tub. Cook up some barbecue with our professional grills, or catch some rays on our sun deck. Focus on your fit and healthy student lifestyle in our state-of-the-art fitness center, featuring strength equipment, free weights, and a separate cardio room. Our 24-hour Academic Success Center offers you the tools to succeed, including IMAX, free printing, group and private study lounges, and Wi-Fi throughout the community. Designed with you in mind, our fully furnished apartments have a fully equipped kitchen with stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and leather-style sectional sofas. We also offer both private and shared accommodations. It's the perfect space to entertain and socialize when you want, and plenty of privacy when you don't. Our professional on-site management and staff are dedicated to serving your needs and helping you enjoy your college experience at West Virginia University. Learn more at americancampus.com/U Club Sunnyside.